Nancy's dream renovation became a disaster when the original contractor botched the installation of the new egress window.
My sister calls me at work and said, Nance, you're not going to believe it. There's water all over the basement. And I did everything I could not to just burst into tears.
Installing an egress window was meant to create a special bedroom for her sister, but things went badly.
The water was pouring in so fast. It sounded like a rainforest. I mean, it was pouring in from that window, and the two of us were mopping and having a shot vac, sucking it up. And as soon as we sucked it up, it was just pouring in the window. The only way to stop it was for the rain to stop. And so at this point, it was just like, something needs to give and something needs to be solved.
Nancy needed help, and fast.
And then Parker showed up at my door, looked around, heard my story. I just felt very respected when he was here, sympathetic to kind of what was going on. And my brother was here at the time, and when Parker left, we both kind of looked at each other and I said, I think it's going to be done right this time. The two men that came here and were very respectful, got right to work. They found the huge problem, fixed it, put the new window well in, and have not had a drop of water since. The window is finished and it's taken care of, and I have this beautiful room. It's nicer than the master bedroom upstairs, that's for sure. My sister will come down and say, I'm going to go down in my oasis for a little while. And so she loves it. I love that we have the extra space. It's just been a wonderful addition, and I'm sure will add a lot of value to the house if I ever go to resell it. I would highly, highly recommend this crew to do any kind of egress window or any kind of work. Certainly call Evolve Egress and Exteriors.